COVID-19 now threatens to reduce deal activity in Kenya's private equity space, an arena which has been relatively vibrant in the recent past as companies opt to raise capital away from the equity market. Analysts now say that companies that opt for private transactions to raise capital are set to face a tougher year than they did back in 2019.
Raising capital through private transactions has gained momentum in Kenya over the last decade, especially with the declining prominence of initial public offers at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. In 2012, Java Coffee House raised capital when Washington-based private equity fund Emerging Capital Partners acquired a majority stake in the chain of coffee houses in a deal valued at $42 million at the time. In 2018, operator of a casual dining and quick-serve restaurant chain in Kenya, Art Cafe, raised capital through an acquisition valued at $33.6 million. With COVID-19 adversely affecting the business environment, however, many are now asking whether homegrown businesses will continue being attractive for private capital.
COVID has affected two environments which we might want to look at which is basically the fundraising environment, where we are sort of going out there to raise funds to invest in investable opportunities. And then there is the investment environment itself. Do these opportunities exist? Or has that environment completely changed?
Analysts now expect a general sag in the deal activity witnessed in the country in 2020, as many would-be investors assume a wait-and-see stance.
What COVID has basically done is to reduce the deal activity. So you will hear certain deals being closed, but these deals being closed are deals that were already in process in the latter part of 2019. So it's a question of now negotiating valuations.
The headwinds notwithstanding, there is a silver lining, which could see the private equity space remain resilient in 2020.
Good news is that on the fundraising side, that the key pot of money that mainly African private equity funds look to raise money from has remained stable and faithful, and this is the development finance institutions.
Julian's Amboko, NTV.